Hey everybody, you just watched part 1 and part 2 of the installation of my April 2018 sprinklers. What I want to do now is walk around, turn them on, and have you see how much progression there has been. So JK18 is in the porthole. We set the zones to 1 minute each. This video hopefully won't be more than 7 minutes, but I'm talking, so it's going to keep on going. So Jay's going to hit the automatic on, and what you're going to see is all the zones turn on. Well, I don't know if I can get them turning on, but you'll get to see all the zones basically turning on, and I'll walk around and show you how much has grown and how much has not grown. And I'm probably going to move a couple of things. So these are set for 1 minute. Oh, that's why they did that. It's hitting the thing. So this is all set for 1 minute. I don't know if you're going to pause here or go back, but there was a lot of mess here. There was a big mess over here. I added grass up there. I'm probably going to have to take a tool and rearrange one of the other heads, because now that there's grass here, if I choose to put flowers and plants here, what's going to happen is as I choose to put plants here, this grass is going to die. And the reason this grass is the way it is because I cut it too low and the sun burnt it. So here was these. So Jay says that he has a tool that he could make this almost 360. So we'll do that another time. This is zone 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I really wanted a sixth one over by the front tire there, but everyone was telling me, no, it's coverage, it's coverage. Grass came out pretty good, right? A couple of spots here. I'm going to walk through this thing because it's all going to stop and catch number 3. Whoa. So number 3 turns on. That's a more than enough coverage, especially that's not really doing anything. But this all grew in nice. There's even weeds. This thing was a big dirt thing, if you remember. A lot of dirt was here. So we're going to try to walk around the backyard and get the other zone. But adequate coverage. Grass is staying green and growing. So zone 4 should pop up soon. There it is. Oh shit. I'm gonna get caught in the middle here. Part of zone 3, is there's 2 heads. One there and one there. That's why this patch grew in so good. Again, look at the previous videos. A lot of this stuff was dirt. This grass is about 2 weeks. I haven't cut it. So we have one head in the dirt here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, don't mind the grass. It's just showing where the heads are, showing you how much has grown in, showing you that if you get sprinklers, don't worry, the grass still grows in, because look, it's all green. Oh, that one too. Sorry. They turned on last night. Zone 5. These heads do 360. They just spin around. There's one in the corner there. See that? By the fence. That does a 90. Again, these do 360. This does maybe a 180. Everything's working. Everything's growing. I mean, it's pissing. There's really nothing I could talk about. This one might be pissing a little bit more than others, but you know, it's dirt and stuff on it, sand, but it's working. It's twerking. It's working. And then I'll get 3 or 4 over there. Yeah. Yeah, that's a nice one. It burns here. I don't know if I'll get coverage from, but it tends to burn because of the sun. So here's a couple of misters here. That's zone 6. They're all set. There's really nothing here I could do. We're in June, so these patches kind of have to stay for now. Just left the door open. It's normally closed. Oh, okay, there's one here too. So zone 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mist heads. And then 7 will be down here. Zone 7. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Zone 7. It's a nice patch of grass, if I say so myself. Kind of does what it has to, you know, but that's about it. So that's about it. This is going to wrap up the Sprinkler 2018 series. Thanks again for watching. Please enjoy the rest of my YouTube channel. And now I gotta go cut the lawn, but hopefully the sprinklers last, and that's all. Hit like, hit subscribe, and keep on chooching.